So for the assignment for Unit 3, what we're going to be doing is a tracing assignment. Okay, it also has to do with adding the appropriate stroke and fill. There's actually two parts to this assignment. So there's assignment 1 and assignment 2. You need to do both. Okay, so you will be downloading two files, this heart file and this dog file. Where you get those is in Schoology. So if you go to Schoology, you go click on Instruction Illustrator, go to Unit 3. You got to click on here, and here's where your two downloads are. So if I click on, here's the heart one, click on this, it'll download. You go up here. Sometimes it pops down on your screen down here. It all depends on your computer setup, but I'll go to here. We'll click on this one. We'll open that up. Sometimes it might just take a few seconds to pull up an Adobe. Then there's the heart. This is what you trace and follow. You're using the pen tool and the curvature tool. I'd recommend trying it with the pen tool first. Do the harder method where you click twice and then drag your mouse out to fit the curve. Because with the curvature tool, you're not going to be able to get that sharp turn here and here. So you're going to need to have to use the pen tool. Okay. The other one, if I go back in here, the dog, another way that you can get the download is you go to your file explorer down here. Click on that, click on downloads. You should see it right here as well. And then there's the dog. Remember, you're going to have to use the arrange tool and get the appropriate colors. Okay, so if we look at the assignment, right, for the first one, this is the heart one. Make sure that you set your fill setting to none, so that way you can make sure that you see the stroke and see the lines you need to trace, and the stroke to 3 points and red. Okay, trace the heart using the pen/curvature tool. The line should be smooth, curved, and it should be one continuous line. All right, you'll likely need to try this several times. So it's going to take a little bit, but once you get that dialed in, okay, it's going to help you out in later projects. And at the end, you're going to fill the heart in with pink. So you should have a red stroke and a pink fill. The second one, the dog file. Okay, so make sure your fill setting is to none so you can see it and have a stroke of 4 PTS and brown. All right, trace the dog using the pen curvature tool. Continue tracing so the shape goes right over the ears and covers nose and eyes. Fill a dog with a light color, so you can get the brown from the ear. You can use the eyedropper tool like I showed you. All right, then you have to send it behind the ear, so that way the ear's in front of everything. So make sure you do that at the end too. And then you'll take a snapshot of both of those, and you'll turn those both into Schoology.